So, recently I heard Bashar say that anytime you think about something from your past, you are reliving that same emotion in the present moment. And I am mind blown because I've never heard anything like this before, but I really trust the source. So, it got me thinking, like, is it, and it's probably both, but how much of it is as I evolve, my emotions become calmer, right? So, like, the way that I express and feel grief might be different now than the way I used to. I'm like more mature, or like anger, definitely more mature with how I'm expressing that. So, how much of it is like relearning these emotions in a healthy way and being able to identify it. And then another part of it is, how much am I suppressing and repressing my emotions, right? Like a pond with all of that still water and all of that sediment just kind of settling down on the bottom. I think of our emotions like that in our chakra system. So it just, sinks down into the body, and it's really hard to purify those emotions and work with them when they are repressed or suppressed. So now, if I have a moment where I think about something pops in my mind that I know was a moment of grief, I'll think like, I'm feeling grief. This is grief, and then I have a moment to tap it out, like do my tapping points and work with myself and talk to myself and release my past and those emotions to enter like a blank canvas, clean state. So yeah, like emotions, relearning emotions when you start to feel them in a healthy way. Like, it's crazy how unrecognizable sadness can feel from immature to a mature version of you, and any emotion. Yeah.